Hi there, thanks for tuning in. We'd like to give you a tour of our Young Residence 210i floor plan. Come on in. As you walk into this single-story home, you'll first notice this open concept floor plan makes spending time with the family that much easier. The dining nook is perfect for casual meals with family and friends. And the gourmet kitchen features a spacious island, which opens up directly to the comfortable great room. This home is accentuated with 10-foot ceilings and an abundance of natural light. Just down the hall is the spacious formal dining room. This space, which is typically home to bedroom 4, can be designed as a den or a formal dining room. As you walk into this home, you'll notice the spacious and open bedroom 3. Across the hall is the comfortable bedroom 2. Around the corner is the family entry, which opens directly into the laundry room. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share the nearby bathroom 2, which features ample countertop space. Next, you'll find the den. This Flex Your Floorplan personal selection transforms the 3-car tandem garage into a convenient den, which can be easily designed as a gorgeous nursery that overlooks the view of the outdoor courtyard. And finally, we come to the master bedroom suite. This space provides an airy, sizable feel like no other. Your own personal sanctuary, complete with a spacious master bathroom, dual Kohler sinks, and a walk-in closet for all your storage needs. Lastly, the separate shower and luxurious Kohler bathtub ties everything together. Couldn't you just imagine letting the stress of the day melt away in this calming master bedroom suite? The Residence 210 floor plan centers around the breathtaking open-air outdoor courtyard, a popular outdoor room for relaxing and entertaining. It also provides an abundant source of natural light for the entire home. The Residence 210i is a unique, eye-catching design that's sure to delight your family for years to come. Call us today to learn more.